Well, hello there and welcome to the Nourish Kitchen, where we create food that's medicine for you and your family. My name is Amrita Mardevi and I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner, and I've been studying
culinary herbs, foods as medicine,
how we can use it as a way of staying vital, keeping our body nourished, and using food as a way and a means to feeling our optimal. So today I'm going to make for you, and please do try this at home. We have strawberry elixir. So it's a strawberry syrup made with some dark honey, some strawberries, lemon juice, and I've got some fresh thyme from my garden. Wonderful. And you'll need a bowl and a container for yourself to store it afterwards that's clean and dry. Let's start with the honey. Honey is full of antioxidants. It has a sweet taste, but its vipaka, our post-digestive effect, is warming and heating. So it's good in springtime, in wintertime, the colder months, to just liquefy and detoxify your body. And it does that because it supports your bile and it increases ojas in the body. Ojas is something very specific. If you've been following my channel, if you know about Ayurveda, you'll know that ojas is something that we want more of. It's something that is stored in the body once it's past all the tissues, and it gives us our immunity and resilience to stress and strain in our days. Dr. Ladd says that raw honey or uncooked honey is like a nectar for us. Or dark honey that's raw, uncooked, is our base for this healing elixir, along with strawberries. So these wonderful strawberries are in season. It's spring here in Mallorca, and they're jam-packed with vitamin C. And what we do is we just cut them into quarters. So if you're trying to boost your children's immunity, giving them a spoonful of this on top of their breakfast porridge can really help to beat any nasty seasonal bugs. I mean, who doesn't love strawberries, right? They're so wonderful. But you can use raspberries as a replacement. Just a suggestion. So you're dicing those into smaller pieces. And so it's equal measures honey to strawberries.
scoop them up and then place them in a bowl, ready for our next step. Wash and pat dry the thyme, and then you're going to take it off the stem. You will need about 2 tablespoons full of the fresh thyme, and add them straight into the diced strawberries. Place the strawberries and thyme into the dry jar and add in half a lemon juice to keep that nice bright colour. The citric acid in lemon juice helps to calm your blood pressure and even protect our bodies against kidney stones. Pour over the dark honey into your strawberries until they're fully covered, and your elixir is completed. You can store it in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. So here's some ways that I like to use it. Starting off with this milk, which you could give your children. It's like a strawberry infused almond milk. If you want to make this a bit more adult friendly, then you can stir in some matcha.
This elixir is delicious, it's refreshing. It's a nice surprise.
The thought of preserving fruit with honey in this way has been used for thousands of years, and its health benefits are time tested. You can use this elixir in so many ways. Really, your imagination is your only limit. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video all about how to stay cool this summer. Bye.